question number 2. If necessary, can one purchase new battery for the overnight use when there is no sun? Where can they be purchased and what kind of the battery? Sorry, the battery cannot be replaced because the camera battery is constant waterproof. This camera supports IP65 waterproof. It cannot be opened. If we open it and replace the battery, the waterproof feature will be loose. The camera is used overnight without sunlight because it's during the day the sunlight will charge the camera so that the camera batteries will store enough power to support operation at night. The battery cannot be replaced and the solar panel will be charged the camera at daytime. The battery can be used at the overnight. And if there are any other questions, please email us at somiku@163.com. We will respond to you within 12 hours. Your instructions are very important to us. Enjoy your camera.